Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ensure your router advertises a 5 GHz Wi-Fi radio and has gigabit Ethernet ports. Next, log into the router admin and apply the latest firmware. This fixes compatibility and performance bugs. Once done, export or note current settings so you can restore if needed. Collect the Ethernet cable and the MAC addresses of devices you'll bridge or connect. Then enable the 5 GHz radio and set a simple temporary SSID to test wired-to-wireless performance immediately. You now configure bridging and DHCP to ensure Ethernet devices use the 5 GHz path correctly. If you have a separate gateway, switch the secondary unit to access point or bridge mode so only one DHCP server remains active. Otherwise, assign static IPs outside the DHCP pool. Make sure wired APs are on the same VLAN or SSID if needed. Then pick a 5 GHz channel and channel width, 80 MHz for speed, 40 or 20 if interference causes packet loss, and save settings before you finish by validating performance. Run a speed test from a wired client, check routes, and confirm traffic flows through the 5 GHz accessible AP. If speeds are lower than expected, reduce channel width or lower TX power to avoid co-channel interference. This often improves real throughput. Make sure cables and switch ports are gigabit rated and that auto negotiation settled to 1 Gbps. If things still go wrong, reboot the router and AP. Reflash firmware if needed, and swap the Ethernet cable to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.